Welcome back. Elon Musk owns around 6 companies at the moment. The latest company the billionaire acquired is Twitter. Musk bought Twitter for $44 billion in October this year, and since then, he has brought in several tough changes, with the aim of building a profitable business. While Musk is still in the process of rebuilding Twitter, he has expressed his willingness to purchase another US-based company, and this time, to take on corporate media. Want to know fully about it? Stick till the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Let's begin. Musk, in his latest replies, said that he is open to the idea of buying Substack, a US-based online platform that provides publishing, payment, analytics, and design infrastructure to support subscription newsletters. Founded in 2017, the online platform allows writers to send digital newsletters directly to subscribers. The idea hit Musk's mind after the Twitter user asked if it would make sense for Twitter to acquire Substack and connect both platforms more tightly. To this, Musk said, "I'm open to the idea. Twitter plus Substack creates instantly massive competition for obsolete legacy corporate media." Now, the chances of Musk buying Substack aren't very high, since he just bought Twitter for $44 billion. Musk currently owns nearly 6 companies, including Tesla, SpaceX, The Boring Company, Neuralink, Twitter, and OpenAI. He is the founder, CEO, and chief engineer of SpaceX, CEO and product architect at Tesla, owner and CEO of Twitter, founder of The Boring Company, co-founder of Neuralink and OpenAI. Meanwhile, Musk is hunting for a new CEO for Twitter, although he isn't willing to give direct power to the next Twitter CEO. He recently said that he is looking for someone to take charge as Twitter CEO, but the software and server teams will be under his control. That's the video, guys. Hope it is useful, and if you have any suggestions, feel free to comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.